and learn some more. Now, after learning the basics of Canva, let's go to remix our design. Here we will be learning about the different factors needed for remixing our designs. Similar to the previous slides for basics of Canva, here also we will watch the video and learn. So let's remix. So let's start with that. What we will be learning here is finding the background, finding graphics, layer elements, and then adding text. Watch the video and learn how. As I told earlier, we can watch the video and then do it. Simply click and drag. Now let's go to the main slide. Click to watch how to search for a background. Now this is how you can search for a background here in Canva. Simply watch the video and try it yourself. Here you can see in the video. Similarly, you can try it by yourself. Go to the elements section or you can search for the templates right here. For now, let me go to the element and then search for a background image. Here you can see the for background. Click on it. Canva will show different options to you. It can be from the Canva Pro paid version or it can be the free to use versions. Here you can see lots of them. Let me just choose one of these and then keep it right here. You can rearrange the size and fit it to your box. Here you can see we have done it. Now let's just size it. As you can see, we have created a background. Similarly, you can add different types of background. You can upload your own image as background or other different images, background, anything that you want, you can use them. So going to the next slide, learn how to find and add a graphics. So here we will be learning how to find the graphics. Similarly, click on the video, watch it and learn. Go to the element section. Here you can see in the element section, let's just go to graphic. Here we can see uh, graphic designs. Now here you can see the different types of graphic designs. Whichever you want, you can take it. There are some of the Canva Pro version and some of the free versions. You can choose any of them. uh, Let me choose this which does not have a background for now, and then place it right here. Here you can see this is how it appears. Similarly, you can choose lots of other designs. Here you can see other all different designs. Click on them and drag it to where you need. Going to the next slide. How to add a gradient and